What's up, YouTube? Okay, I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to simply show you how you can earn minimum $100 just by typing names. Okay, on this particular website there are contests. In these contests, business owners, people who are starting up businesses, are looking for business names, product names, catchy taglines. They're looking for logos to be created. They're looking for all these things. And so they have teamed up with this particular website, and they have asked the website to post these competitions so that people like myself and you can compete and win. Okay? So really, how it works is, let's just get that out of the way real quick. Doesn't seem like I can. Okay, so these competitions, for example, here's one. It says they want a tagline for a 100-year-old future focused insurance company. So they want a tagline for this one, right? And the minimum guaranteed prize is $200. Okay. The next, they want an exciting name for a knowledge platform. So you're providing a name for the company and so on. Okay. This one, they want a name and logo for a new sustainable activewear brand, right? Exciting name for a knowledge platform. We already said that. So let's click on this particular one just to see how it works, right? So the type of contest, they want a name for a company or company name. Title of the project, exciting name for knowledge platform. Type of name, they want something for their website. So they want a business name that can also be converted to their website. So for example, Hopping Monkeys is a brand, just for argument's sake. They would want a hoppingmonkeys.com or hoppingmonkeys.net or some variation of that is pretty much like the company name. They don't want anything. They don't want Hopping Monkeys. They don't want a brand called Hopping Monkeys, but the website is Hopping Turtles or hoppingfrogs.com. They don't want anything alien. They want something that can be used as a name and URL at the same time. Okay? So they'll explain what they're looking for. It says this is a knowledge site for a corporation where employees would contribute content and make their first stop to find information. So that sounds kind of like Quora if you ask me. But anyways, information about industries for investment, internal competencies, networks of relevant people, and even relevant websites. Right? So they're looking for a .com URL. Type of business, it's a tech internet software business. Tell us about your customers. So our customers are here. The customers here are employees of the company who have existing standards for storage of content that are limited to a smaller user base. These are knowledge workers in the scientific, business, services, and investment communities. There have been 133 submissions so far. 3 have withdrawn their submissions and 130 are active. 51 participants, which means each participant has submitted more than one name, right? You can actually click the contest holder's name, and you can even message the person directly to see what you can dig out of the person. So if I wanted to, I could send him a message and say, hey John, blah 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 blah, are you looking for something more like this? Do you want something zany? Do you want something more robust and business-like? Well, what are you looking for? You could just pick their brain just to see what this particular person or company is looking for, right? You can read through. It says what style does the person want. The site is an exciting and secure place to get the best insight for their work and to share knowledge. The business will be hosted in the US. Maximum number of letters, I don't have a preference. Minimum number of words, 3. Preferred style, open to all. Preferred type of name, open to all ideas. Right? So so far you are good to go. So with all that information and with the opportunity to ask the contest holder for more information, you could pick their brain. And it says there are guaranteed prizes. It says that the competition ends in 4 days and 20 hours, right? You could check entries. It's a private contest, so only the contest holder can actually see the entries. So you can't take a peek and see what everybody else is typing. So that kind of sucks. But let's submit an entry. Now this account is fairly new. And so what they're going to tell me is that I can only submit 3 name entries. So it says that they're a tech company that people can come to and find information about investments and business and tech stuff. So what's a catchy name? You could just play with it. If you're a creative, this should be a walk in the park for you. You don't even have to be a creative. Anybody could do this. Anybody. Some of the best names have come from children even. Right? So let's see if we can find or create a name. Let's call it Tech Buzz. Tech Buzz. Domain name, let's say Tech Buzz, TechBuzz. Yeah, and then there's the .com there. Let's see if it's available. It's not available, so let's try something else. Tech Buzz 3 Z's. That doesn't exist either. Okay. Tech with a hyphen work. Tech Buzz, TechBuzz.com. No. Okay. So like I said, you could play around with it. You could try different things. You could just do a whole host of stuff to see what works. So Tech Buzz doesn't work. Let's try Beam Source. For all you Trekkies out there, beam me up, Scotty. Beam Source. Let's try BEAMSOURCE.com. No! What? Are you kidding me? What do you guys think? You can comment below. Let me know what you think a catchy name for something like this would be. But let's just do something like okay, so they're a tech company. Let's go back to the brief. A knowledge site for a corporation where they could come and make investments, internal competencies, network, HubSpot. With 2 P's. HUBSPPOT. That's very interesting. Alright guys, so long and short, you would just find a cool name. Let me just do Tech Plus. Tech Plus. And again, there's no rocket science to this. Tech Plus. Let's try that. PLUZ. Great. And they want a description just so you can sell the name. So I'm just going to say Tech Buzz Plus, is the premier site for finding relevant information in your field. Not only for technology, but for networking and investments. Networking and investments. And so much more. The name allows you to add other programs without having to worry about a name change. Okay, just something like that, but you get the idea. Down here you'd hit submit, or you could actually add more entries, but let's do submit. Oh, this one actually uses points. Okay, some of the competitions, when you are actually signed up, will ask you to use points. So you've gotten points. When you sign up, you get a minimum number of points, and as you go on and win, you actually get points rollover. So I'm going to submit using points, right? And it's going to deduct 25 points from my point total there. So I just entered. When the competition goes forward and the person and their team or whoever picks names that they like, mine will be right there. And if they like it, you'll see a list of actual names that they like. Out of the total, they'll say ones they love, ones they like. You'll actually see them rate the names, and they'll actually rate your name, just to see just for so you could see where you stand in all this. So total awarded, they've done $135 for a previous contest. In here I was talking about the things where they'll say they love it, they like it, on right track, no thank you. So they'll tell you straight up. So if you wanted to try again, you could try again before the contest closes. Right? Like I said, you can also do logos. You could search contests by names if you just want to type names, if you wanted to do logos as well, or if you wanted to do taglines. Auto contests have a combination of one or more of these things. Right? So that's really it, guys. You can literally earn $100 per name. So when you win the contest, you win whatever prize they're offering. Okay? And it's a numbers game. The more you enter competitions, the more chances you have to win. The more competitions you enter, the more likely you are to win. So if you keep at it, you will definitely win. Right? But with that said, there's a drawback. You can go days, weeks, I don't know, maybe even months without winning anything, and it's not that you've wasted your time. I mean, I'm sure you would have developed your creativity so much because you've been thinking creatively for all these days, weeks, months, that your creativity would have increased and you would have become a more creative person. Or you could check some links below for legit ways that you can build an online business, legit ways that real people have created, real people have used, and real people have found success using these proven strategies where you don't need to be typing names, and you don't need to be, I mean, there's nothing wrong with being creative and typing names, but you could literally determine what you're going to earn like clockwork. You could be sleeping and you could be earning money because your company is set up. Even the brick and mortar stores, people have set up their businesses and they walked away, leaving employees to run the business, and they're earning money while they're out fishing, out with friends, taking a trip to visit their family, whatever, they're still earning money. You can do the same thing via the internet. And especially in these days of COVID-19, where people are home, not working, people can't go to their physical stores or physical workplaces, people are being laid off, because I mean companies can't afford to keep people. These businesses, these links below will show you legit ways to earn a full-time income. In fact, you could earn potentially up to six figures, and I kid you not. Results vary, yes, but why not take a chance on yourself by building your own business that will support yourself and your family? Guys, check the links below. If you don't like it, that's fine. If you want to try Squadhelp, that's perfectly fine. And if you like the content and the value I shared today, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video with someone. Squadhelp could be the thing. Squadhelp pays out via PayPal, so that's something to look out for. If you don't have a PayPal account, PayPal is international. You could create your PayPal account. When you're signing up for Squadhelp, they do actually charge a $10 US fee to do a background check. So that's something you could look out for. So find your $10. They'll just do a quick security check to make sure you're okay. I guess a lot of people have come on here and done a bunch of shady stuff to win contests and whatever. So it's just $10 to get you going, and then you're on your way to earning potentially $200-300 per contest. And if you're a graphic designer, this is a very great way to create logos that you can even put up for sale. There's even a marketplace here. Okay. There's a marketplace where people have people literally put up their people have created logos and have put up their things for sale, their logos for sale, right? And people have, fished around wanting to see what's out there, and they may not necessarily have a name in mind, but if something connects with them, if they see something that they like, for example, here's one, Mango and Moose, simple logo design. This looks like a store. Toastique, Pangram, Flourish Interactive, Arvesa, Hemplicity. Oh my god, you could literally come here, even if you're not interested in putting stuff up to earn money, and you're looking for a business idea or a logo to go with your business, this is the place. Squadhelp, right? So you pay your fee or come on here, sign up, and purchase something from one of these people. 5 West, look at this. New Juvia, Eventricity, Avanti, Green Key Realty, Profly. If you wanted to start a realty company, you could literally just buy this name and have the rights to it and call your company Green Key and have and already have a logo ready, a name ready. Oak and Stone. Alright guys, so that's it. That's Squadhelp. If this is something you're interested in, go ahead, check squadhelp.com out. If not, check the links below to start earning or start creating your own business to earn up to 6 figures. There are some links to books as well below that you could try. Things like Think and Grow Rich. You could check those out. And some other tools and whatnot that I use. Check those out. And if you like them, share the links with your friends. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.